Hello, I'm Ella. Welcome to another informative engineering video by Shengen. This video will explore the fundamentals of engineering drawing and its significance in project development. You will gain valuable insights into the critical elements of engineering drawing and receive practical tips to enhance your skills in this crucial area. Let's dive in and learn how to create effective engineering drawings that bring your project ideas to life. Your engineering drawing should have a title block containing essential details about your intended part, including the component name, material, surface finishing, color requirements, designer's name, company, scale, and the standards used. It must contain a 3D pictorial or isometric view of the part, offering an undistorted presentation of its geometry. Include the main orthographic view, a two-dimensional depiction of the object's shape. Only include dimensions for critical and measurable features. Add hole tapping needs and treat depth callout as a minimum. Consolidate callouts to avoid clutter. Add construction lines, like center lines and marks, to all views. Add tolerances to features requiring more precision than standard tolerances. Avoid over-dimensioning or having conflicting tolerances in designs. That's all for today's video. If you don't have an engineering drawing for your sheet metal fabrication project, upload your 3D CAD design file on Shengen's instant quotation platform. We hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more informative engineering videos. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the following video.